Hello, welcome back to our kangaroo math competition preparation. It's very close to the contest, but no worries, just do your best. Because actually, every competition is just one opportunity. There are a lot of opportunities ahead of you. So do your best. Let's enjoy today's thinking game. And actually, most students will know we have some very powerful tools already, including the nature of equation. And let's see this round. Actually, it just gave us three equations directly. Nelly bought 4 toys from the toy store. Their costs satisfy 3 equations below. What are the cheapest and the most expensive toys? So let's see, actually, here we got 1, 2, 3 toys directly. And actually the colorful toy is very famous. The name of it is called as Tower of Hanoi. But actually you can see it's a very hard name. So in today's question, I will just call that as the colorful tower. In the first equation, we can see 3 towers equals 1 rabbit. The second one, we got 1 tower and 1 rabbit equals 1 doll. And the last one, including 4 toys, the bear, the bunny, the tower, and the doll. So when we have a lot of toys in one equation, it's very hard for us to decide which one is cheaper, which one is more expensive. If so, we can try to find or use the cheapest, the one with the lowest price, to represent the other toys. For example, the first one we can see if 3 towers equals 1 bunny. Tower and bunny, which one is cheaper? Great, you can get it, right? Tower. Tower is cheaper, so we try to use the cheapest thing to represent all the other toys. The first one has already told us 1 bunny equals 3 towers. So let's see the second one, because as long as we see 1 rabbit, we can replace it by 3 towers. So here we can have actually in total 4 towers equals 1 doll. And the next one, as long as we see 1 bunny, it can be replaced by 3 towers, while 1 doll can be replaced by 4 towers. So in total, we will just have here 1 bear plus 3 tower equals 5 towers in total. And as we mentioned, actually equation is just like a kind of balance scale. So here we can take away the same amount of towers from both sides. At most, we can take away 3 towers. So in the end, the rest is just 1 bear equals 2 towers. So actually, in this case, we just use the same thing to represent the other 3 toys. When we know 1 bunny equals 3 tower, 1 doll equals 4 tower, and 1 bear equals 2 tower, we can to order that more easily. We can also have an magic arrow here. The cheapest one is still the tower. The next one is the bear, because it is only worthy of 2 towers. The next one is the bunny, which worthy of 3 towers. And the last one would be our doll, the most expensive one. So here you can see the tower is the cheapest and the doll is exactly the most expensive one. That's how we get. The correct answer is just E. So actually this one is already the last question of Kangaroo Math Competition pre-color level of 2018. Do you find it really hard? Actually not. As long as we know the nature of those basic knowledge, and then with some practice, we can use it flexibly to solve these challenging problems. So I hope you can enjoy thinking. Math can also be very fun. See you next day. Bye.